Ladies and gentlemen, I won't be here today for B-Day, but if you're looking at the chart that you were given during class, on the one side you're looking at revolutionary ideas during the time of Jefferson. Those would be the things you would want to comment on. On the flip side, you've got 3 columns dealing with Jefferson and the role of Jefferson and the expansion of federal power. Then you've got 3 columns on the War of 1812, which really define the Madison presidency, the cause of the War of 1812, the War of 1812 itself, and really the most important part, which is the aftermath of the War of 1812. And those are going to be the things that we cover in what we're essentially calling Unit 3B. So the first thing you're going to look at, the thing that you have in front of you, is the top 10 list for the revolutionary aspects of Jefferson, the Jeffersonian period. Now, the age of Jefferson goes well beyond Jefferson. You could even say that the age of Jefferson, bleeds into Jackson, Van Buren, and Harrison. Jefferson is a game changer, and there are many reasons why Jefferson is a game changer. I mean, when you have an age named after you, you are a substantive figure. You have the age of Jefferson, the age of Jackson. Lincoln's defined by the Civil War, but the Reagan era, the Roosevelt era. Okay, you don't have the era of Polk. Even though Polk was a substantive guy, you don't have the era of Polk. You don't have the era of Buchanan, the era of Hayes. Jefferson defines the time. His attitudes, his beliefs, his feelings define the time. Not just by what he does, but by what you see going on in the country politically, economically, religiously, socially, intellectually, and artistically. So what you were provided was the topics for the top 10 list for the revolutionary aspects of Jefferson, and you were provided with a copy of the notes that I would have given you had I been here today, including the commentary that I would have made on those notes. So therefore, you can use those notes to help you along. You've got the workbook, you've got the textbook, you can use your electronic device to look up things if you want to look things up. And I would recommend at some point in time, go to educationportal.com, type in the search APUS history. There's a topic in there, Life in Antebellum America. That's a great place to go. They've got some great videos there on some of the art and the intellectual and the religious and cultural changes that you see if you want to bring yourself up to speed. But unfortunately, I can't be here. So that is pretty much it. That should bring everybody up to speed. You'll turn in the top 10 list next class. Okay? And I just won't be teaching it. So there you go. You're on your own on it. Thanks.